Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to the video in which we are dealing with your chapter number 5, that is more on MS PowerPoint 2007. So, my dear students, in the previous video, we have covered the chapter, we have studied about various topics, right? So, now over here, we will start from your exercise portion. So, hurry up and open page number 62 for the same. Now, see. On page number 62, we are having assessment A, first part, oral questions. Now in this part, we are having the first question as, what is PowerPoint? For this answer, you have to refer to the same page number 62. Words to remember, first point, this one. MS PowerPoint is a presentation software used to create and edit presentations for slideshow, meeting, web pages, etc. Only these two lines you have to mention in the first answer. Okay. For the second answer, how do we insert pictures in a PowerPoint presentation? So you hurry up and write down in your book itself. We can we can insert picture from clip art or then I'm erasing it. After or you write down from a file in a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so the answer is we can insert picture from clip art or from a file in a PowerPoint presentation. Only this much you have to write down in second answer. Okay, moving forward to your quiz part. See the first question. Name two screen elements of the PowerPoint screen. So the firstly you have to write down from the question. Write down the word the. The two screen elements of the PowerPoint screen are, then write down menu bar and ribbon, RIBBON, ribbon. Okay, this is the answer for your first one, quiz part. For the second one, see the question firstly. What are the different ways to create a new presentation in MS PowerPoint? So for this one, you have to open page number 52. Page number 52 you open 52. So here we are on page number 52, this one, right? So you have to write down from this one. PowerPoint representations are usually created in three formats. Number one, blank and recent. Only the heading you have to write down, only the points. No need to write down the explanation, okay? So blank and recent first one. Second one, installed templates. Third one, installed themes. Okay, so this much you have to write down in second part, second answer. Fine. Now moving forward, open your page number 63 over here. See, page number 63. Now we are having fill in the blanks. So see the first answer. We can insert picture in MS PowerPoint using clip art. So clip art is the first answer. Second one you see, to change the category of smart art, we choose from the layout group. Okay, the second one is your layout. See the third one, to apply the slide transition, we click on the dash tab. The answer is animation tab. Okay, now see the last one, We click on dash from media clips group to insert music in a PowerPoint presentation. Obviously the answer is your sound. Fine. So the first answer is your clip art, second is layout, third animation, and the fourth one is your sound. Now moving forward to your assessment B part, we are having multiple choice question with us. Now see the first one. To resize a picture, we click, select and drag a blank circle. So the first option is your C part, that is circle. See the second one. Table consists of dash present in rows and columns. Again the answer is your C part, that is data. See the third one. Dash tab is used to insert a theme. The answer is D part, design. For the last one, clip art option appears in the dash group. The answer is B part, illustration. Okay, so for the first one, you have to write down C part, circle. For second one, again C part, data. Third one, D part, design. And the fourth one, B part, illustrations. Okay, moving forward to your very short answer questions. See the first question. Name one format used to create a PowerPoint presentation. So firstly, you have to write down from the question. That is, one format used to create a PowerPoint presentation is, then this one you have to write down, blank and recent. Okay, only this much you have to write down in this answer. Now moving forward to your second question. What are clips in PowerPoint? For this one, you have to turn on to page number 53. 53. Okay. Over here. So see on page number 53, you are having the heading inserting picture from clip art now. This line you have to write down. Clip art is a collection of picture or images that can be imported into a program. Starting from clip art till program. Okay, this much you have to write down for very short answer, first one. Sorry, this is the second answer. Second one, this one is. Moving forward to your short answer question, see the first question for now. First question is, name any two programs in MS Windows where the bullets and numbering options can be used. So again for the firstly, you have to write down from the question. Write down the two programs used. Then over here you have to write down used in MS Windows where the bullets and numbering option can be used are. Then you have to write down MS PowerPoint, this one, and MS Word. Okay. So again I'm repeating it. The two programs used in MS Windows where the bullets and numbering options can be used are MS PowerPoint and MS Word. This is your first answer of short answer questions. Okay. See the second question. List any one use of animations in MS PowerPoint. So for this answer, turn to page number 60. Now see over here. The first line you are able to see in the heading animations in PowerPoint now. Animations are used to make our presentations attractive and more appealing. Right? So this much you have to write down for your second answer. Okay. Second answer of your short answer question. Only the first line. Starting from animations till appealing. Now we are having the last part with us, that is long answer questions. See the first one. Write down the steps to insert pictures from clip art in a PowerPoint presentation. For this answer, you have to turn page number 53. 53 you open. over here. Now you have to write down from this blue color line. To insert a clip art in a slide, we follow these steps. Okay. So step number 1, you have to write down, click on the insert tab. Step number 2, click on clip art from illustrations group. Only till group you have to write down. Okay. The words that I'm underlining now, only those words you have to write down. Step number 3, type name of the desired picture in the search for box, only this much. Step number 4, click the picture to insert in the slide. Okay, so these 4 steps you have to write down in your long answer. First one, first question. Okay, moving forward to your second answer. See the question. Write down the steps to insert tables in a PowerPoint presentation. So for this answer, you have to turn page number 57, 57. Now see from here. From this line, we follow these steps to insert a table on a slide. So step number 1, select a slide layout including a table placeholder. Till table placeholder, you have to write down the first step. Step number 2, click on the table placeholder. The insert table dialog box is seen. Complete step 2, you have to write down. Step 3, enter the required number of rows and columns. Click on OK button. Step number 3 also complete, you have to write down. And step number 4 also, fill the required data in the empty table that appears. Okay, so this much you have to write down in your long question second answer. Okay, only the first step you have to trim till table placeholder. The rest of the steps you are supposed to write down complete. Now we are left with only one answer. The last answer of your long answer question. See the third one. Write a brief note on slide transition and custom animation in MS PowerPoint. So for this answer, you have to turn to page number 60. Now see on page number 60, firstly you see at the top. So we are writing, we can use the slide transition option to check how and when the slides appear during a slideshow. Firstly, you have to write down this much. Fine. Then you have to change the paragraph in the new line. You will be writing from here. We use the custom animation option to animate text, graphics, and other objects to enhance representation and control the flow of information in a slideshow. Okay, so till slideshow you are supposed to write down. Now this was your long answer question last part. Now we are done with all the questions regarding the chapters. Okay, so chapter number 1, chapter number 3 and chapter number 5 are supposed to come in your half yearly examination. So all of you please complete your work in your copy and get it checked on time. Okay, so this much is for this video. Thank you so much.